Hi, I'm Rochelle J. Welcome to BobbyBead.com. Since mask wearing these days is absolutely essential, it's really tough to always remember it when you leave the house, or where did I put it while I'm in the car. And so I have found a really quick and easy way to keep it with me always and keep it clean and safe. And so I've made these wonderful little mask holders. And so when you can take it off, when you're safe and secure and alone, then it just hangs right around your neck and hands-free, doesn't get dirty. And I've made mine with leather and a little crimp and a lobster clasp. And so it's really quick and easy to do. You can make it with just about any material, chain or cord. And so I'm going to show you now how you can do this too in less than 5 minutes. And so then you too can be safe all the time. So I'm using a 2mm leather cord here. And if you just trim the end so it's more of a point, it'll go through the cord end easier. And so these neat little cord ends come in the same size diameters to go with your leather. So if you're using a 3mm, then you would use a larger one. And so the 2mm I'm using today. So a little bit of glue really helps to secure it. So I'm using my GS Hypo Cement. It has this micro fine tip and it comes in a metal tube. So it just releases itself really micro slowly. So in these days, we all need patience. So don't squeeze the tube. As you can see on my tube, I have a note to warn me. It just comes out nice. So you can actually just set it right there and it won't get all over the place. Put your crimp on nice and tight. It slides in. And then you will take your needle nose pliers and then squish really nice and tight. And then you'll turn it around and squish again. And so then it's held on really nice and tight, and it's just quick and easy. So then we are going to attach our lobster clasp with a jump ring. And so right on the end, we are just going to pick up our lobster clasp, and I use 2 pliers to open and close them properly. So remember, lobster clasps, you open forward and backwards, so it's nice, open and tight. Put your ring through, and then put your clasp on, and then grab your other pliers and then just bring them right back together. So that way your lobster is nice and tight and you can just squeeze it a little bit. And then now you have one end, and you'll do the exact same thing on the other end, and that way you can hang your mask nice and easy. And I've matched my necklace to the leather cord, but you can use any kind of chain. There's a really small one that just wraps around the chain and is nice and tidy. Otherwise, you can use cording, and you use these great little clam tips. So it just, the knot ties in there, will hook on, and you can use it, you know, with any kind of silk cording, leather cording. You can even use ball chain. The same type of one folds around the ball chain. If you got an old necklace laying around you haven't been wearing, it's already got one clasp on the end. So take off the little extra chain, open that jump ring. Don't use your fingernail if you don't want to ruin your fingernail. But just pop on another little lobster clasp on the other side, close it right back up, and now that necklace, you haven't worn for a while, is a great handy dandy little mask chain. And so all these products are here on the retail website at BobbyBead.com. They're in the metals section. You can also follow the links from the YouTube video. They're right down below on there. And so the tools are needle nose pliers so that you can pinch. And then I've used the GS Hypo Cement. It works with any porous to non-porous item, and so it's a really good glue for it. And so quick and easy, less than 5 minutes. That way you can keep yourself and everyone around you safe. So when you're shopping or out in public. And so if you'd like to see more, visit us online at BobbyBead.com. Thanks for watching. Follow us on YouTube, like and subscribe to get notified of new tutorials and product videos. We also have a YouTube page on bobbybead.com to watch videos. In the description of every video, you will find links to find the products in those videos. Thanks for watching. Remember to learn, play, and create at bobbybead.com.